Upgrade your ride with the ultimate in aerodynamics and style. Introducing the Grand Veloz body kit, crafted for performance, built for dominance. Take your stance to the next level with the Duraflex Grand Veloz wide body front fender flares. Hand-laid fiberglass, flexible polymer construction, and a signature black finish engineered for durability and designed to turn heads. Complete the look with the Grand Veloz rear fender flares. Precision crafted for a perfect fit, these fender flares offer extreme flexibility and 75% less shipping damage because performance should never come at the cost of reliability. Need lightweight performance? The Carbon Creations OEM Look Hood delivers race-ready strength with UV protection, impact resistance, and motorsport-proven durability. A true game-changer under the hood. Aggressive, aerodynamic, and built to perform, the Couture urethane Grand Veloz front bumper sets the standard for OEM quality fit and finish. Comes complete with an installation guide, hardware kit, and authenticity card for guaranteed quality. Unleash the power of aerodynamics with the Carbon Creations Grand Veloz rear diffuser. Lightweight, strong, and designed for superior airflow, trusted by motorsport professionals worldwide. Performance, style, and innovation. This is Grand Veloz. Elevate your build today. The transformation is complete. The Grand Veloz body kit isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Aerodynamic precision, premium materials, and race-inspired design, all in one aggressive package. On the road, command attention. Elevate your build with the Grand Veloz complete body kit, because stock is never enough. Order now and take your ride to the next level.